Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install and configure Pluck CMS on Fedora 34. Pluck is an open source content management system written in the PHP scripting language that is used for creating web pages by people without advanced programming skills. Now I am going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I am going to install Pluck CMS using the following URL. Package downloaded. Now I am going to unzip this package with this following command. And then I am going to change the directory to this following location. And list the directory. Now I am going to give the owner name and group name for this directory. Use this following command. And then I am going to give the permission for this directory. Next I am going to open the Apache configuration file. Use this following command. Now make the Apache configuration detail. Use these following steps. Make this virtual host configuration like this, then save and exit. Now I'm going to open the host entry file. Use this following command. Put here your IP and domain name. Then save and exit. Now I'm going to restart the Apache service. Use this following command. And then go to the browser. Search your domain name here. This is the installation page for Pluck CMS. Click this proceed and give title and enter your mail ID. Then create your password. Now save this and save this. Click to open administration center. Enter your admin password here. Login now. This is the dashboard page for Pluck CMS. With this process of installing and configuring Pluck CMS on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.